After installing the progressive web app for 123 Paystubs, you can start generating paystubs instantly. When you click Generate Paystub Now, you'll preview 123 Paystubs Paystub Generator. Company info requires the company's name, EIN, and address. You can also upload your company logo for a more personal touch. There's also an add-on for you to choose which template type best suits your branding. The employee info then requires you to enter their name, employee ID if applicable, last four of their social security number, home address, and salary. This could be per hour, week, month, or annum. And for the federal W-4, select the employee's filing status. When running payroll, you will have a pay schedule. Enter your pay schedule based on frequency, pay period based on the days prior to payday, and customize your own pay stub number. If you'd like to add additional earnings and deductions, you'll be able to add bonuses or overtime hours or tax deductions. Proceed to enter the employee's gross earnings. Here is where 123 Paystubs Paystub Generator really comes in handy. Your employee's total gross earnings are then calculated for you based on the amount of hours they've worked. Just click Calculate and 123 Paystubs does the rest. When you're ready to download, email, and print your paystub, click Complete Your Order, and you're ready to go.